guys, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, subscribe below. My name is Emma, and today we're having a farm day, so we just got here, and I'm really excited. It's really fun. All of our friends are coming, and yeah, we made a geofilter. It's gonna be really fun, and watch for the rest of our day. I'll bring this in now.
Rocking chairs enough. Now everything I'm gonna be like, we didn't do this enough.
I didn't even know that they were there.
Andy Muffin. Good morning.
Hi! Grace? So today is our day at the farm.
It's called the Farmhouse Festival.
You look so good right now.
Hey, you look glowy. It's my fake tan.
Start off with a little mimosa. Grace is doing some gymnastics or something. Alright guys, oh my god, cat. I'm going downstairs because I forgot something, but it's really fun. Everyone just got here and we have a day. Oh, Grace's farm is in Barron Springs, Michigan, and it's fun. We go out here sometimes, and it's just really nice to get away, you know.
I forgot about therapy after that.
Ginger, looking stunning as always.
I have, yeah, I'm gonna tell them like, oh. It's not funny.
I know. It's just
Okay.
Let's go outside.
I got some
So 4 families own this house.
Oh, good.
Trying to stay skinny.
Yep.
Love the farm.
We love the farm. Ginger, I'll get a close-up on you.
I'm not gonna get is it double trophy.
Why not?
No.
Hey, Ginge.
Tell my fans. Okay, so here's a question, but you might have to edit this out.
We tried hard to
Okay, next time. Totally right, I guess.
I feel like I'm gonna get famous from this.
Oh my god. Alright, this is going. Alright.
Now we just ran away.
Say,
Oh my god. I'm done.
it's nighttime. Hey guys, good morning. Grace. I'm so like. Grace got this. I look so bad. See, look, she's the cat's like ready to run out the door. She's like ready. Get me in trouble. Oh, we should sit out here this morning.
Yeah, it's pretty nice.
She won too. Getting breakfast right now.
I'm so
watch cream cheese.
There's more cream cheese.
Dude, it was so much fudge.
A fudgesicle sounds so bad.
Like, of all things.
A fudgesicle right now? Hi, Queen. I'm talking to myself. What's up, Queen? Good luck.
That wasn't gonna happen.
Guys, no regrouping. Every straight to Full Road.
I'm coming, Ginge. I'll bring my pants to the ground.
Bye. I'll miss you. Alright guys, I just got home. Really tired. I think I'm gonna take a nap, but thanks for watching. And if you haven't subscribed below, subscribe below. Follow me on Instagram. Oh my god, ow. Follow me on Instagram and see you guys back soon.